Transforming your backyard into a luxury outdoor retreat isn't just about patio furniture, it's about having a durable, stylish shelter you can enjoy in any weather. Whether you're hosting summer barbecue parties, relaxing by the pool, or needing heavy snow and wind protection all year round, a permanent hardtop gazebo is the ultimate home upgrade. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best outdoor gazebos in 2026. All the product links with updated Amazon discounts and specs are right down in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's step outside. Number 5. Covered Outdoor 11-foot by 13-foot Patio Gazebo. Starting our list at number 5 is the Covered Outdoor 11 by 13-foot Patio Gazebo, a spacious soft-top outdoor shelter designed for backyards, patios, decks, parties, and family gatherings. It features a rust-resistant iron frame with a waterproof polyester canopy designed for long-term outdoor use. The double-layer roof improves airflow underneath the gazebo while also providing protection from direct sunlight and UV exposure. With an 11 by 13-foot footprint, there is enough room for outdoor furniture and seating for around 6 to 10 people. Detachable curtains and mosquito netting run along a double-track system, allowing you to create more privacy or keep insects out while maintaining airflow. One of its standout features is the built-in entertainment setup. The gazebo includes battery-powered LED lighting and a removable Bluetooth speaker that magnetically attaches to the frame, making it convenient for evening gatherings and outdoor music. Drainage grommets in the canopy also help manage rainwater, while the included curtains provide extra weather protection and privacy. Pros: spacious 11 by 13-foot design. Double-layer ventilated canopy. Curtains and mosquito netting included. LED lighting and Bluetooth speaker. Rust-resistant metal frame. Cons: heavy at around 104 pounds. Assembly requires approximately 2 to 4 people. Soft-top canopy is less durable than a permanent hardtop roof. Overall, the Covered Outdoor Patio Gazebo combines generous space, useful weather protection, privacy curtains, and built-in entertainment features, making it our number 5 pick for the best outdoor gazebos of 2026. Number 4. Aoxun 12-foot by 10-foot hardtop gazebo. Coming in at number 4 is the Aoxun 12 by 10-foot hardtop gazebo, a spacious outdoor shelter designed for backyards, patios, lawns, family gatherings, and outdoor entertaining. It features a double-layer polycarbonate roof designed to block harmful UV rays while allowing better air circulation underneath. The roof also includes built-in hooks for hanging compatible lights, fans, or decorations. The gazebo uses a powder-coated metal frame for improved resistance against scratches, corrosion, and rust. With room for approximately 8 to 10 people, it provides plenty of space for patio furniture, dining setups, or outdoor seating. For additional comfort, Aoxun includes removable polyester curtains and zippered mosquito netting. The curtains provide extra privacy and weather protection, while the inner netting helps keep insects out without blocking ventilation. The package includes clearly numbered components and illustrated assembly instructions. According to the listing, installation typically requires 2 to 3 people, and when installing on grass, ground spikes and wind ropes should be used for additional stability. Pros: spacious 12 by 10-foot design. Double-layer polycarbonate roof. Powder-coated metal frame. Curtains and mosquito netting included. Accommodates around 8 to 10 people. Cons: heavy at around 197 pounds. Assembly generally requires multiple people. Requires proper anchoring for outdoor stability. Overall, the Aoxun hardtop gazebo combines durable construction, a ventilated double roof, generous interior space, and useful privacy features, making it our number 4 pick for the best outdoor gazebos of 2026. Number 3. Aoxun 10-foot by 12-foot gazebo canopy. Taking the number 3 spot is the Aoxun 10 by 12-foot gazebo canopy, a spacious outdoor shelter designed for patios, decks, lawns, gardens, and backyard gatherings. It features a powder-coated steel frame designed to provide solid support while maintaining a semi-permanent outdoor setup. The gazebo also includes anchoring hardware such as 8 expansion bolts and 4 guy ropes, helping improve stability in breezy conditions when properly installed. For weather protection, the canopy uses 150G water-resistant fabric and provides UPF 50+ sun protection, helping shield guests and patio furniture from direct sunlight and light rain. The gazebo also includes mesh panels and adjustable side curtains. You can keep the mesh closed for ventilation and insect protection or use the curtains when you want additional shade and privacy. With approximately 120 square feet of covered space, there is plenty of room for patio furniture, outdoor dining, or small gatherings. The package includes the frame, canopy, curtains, mesh panels, stakes, ropes, bolts, and spare hardware. Pros: spacious 10 by 12 foot coverage. UPF 50+ sun protection. Water-resistant canopy fabric. Mesh panels and privacy curtains. Anchoring hardware included. Cons: water-resistant rather than fully waterproof. Weighs around 102 pounds. Assembly generally requires 2 people. Overall, the Aoxun Gazebo canopy combines generous shade coverage, useful privacy features, solid anchoring options, and practical weather protection, making it our number 3 pick for the best outdoor gazebos of 2026. Number 2. COOS BAY 11 foot by 11 foot Pop Up Gazebo. Coming in at number 2 is the COOS BAY 11 by 11 foot Pop Up Gazebo, a portable outdoor canopy designed for backyard gatherings, camping, beach trips, outdoor dining, and events. It provides around 121 square feet of covered space, with enough room for approximately 6 to 8 people. The extended roof design also helps provide additional shade around the edges. The canopy uses UPF 50+ fabric designed to block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, while its water-resistant coating provides protection against light rain. A vented roof improves airflow and can also help reduce wind pressure underneath the canopy. One of its biggest advantages is the pop-up design, allowing relatively quick setup without tools. At around 42.3 pounds, it is also considerably lighter than permanent metal gazebos and includes a carrying bag for transport and storage. For zippered mesh sidewalls help keep insects out while maintaining visibility and ventilation. The powder-coated steel frame is designed to resist rust and corrosion. Pros: quick pop-up setup. Spacious 121 square foot coverage. UPF 50+ sun protection. For zippered mesh sidewalls. Lightweight and portable design. Cons: water-resistant rather than fully waterproof. Less permanent than a hardtop gazebo. Lightweight construction requires proper anchoring in windy conditions. Overall, the COOS BAY Pop-Up Gazebo combines excellent portability, generous shade coverage, useful mesh protection, and easy setup, making it our number 2 pick for the best outdoor gazebos of 2026. Number 1. Aoxun 10 foot by 12 foot Hardtop Gazebo. Taking the number 1 spot is the Aoxun 10 by 12 foot Hardtop Gazebo, a heavy-duty outdoor shelter designed for patios, backyards, outdoor dining, gatherings, and year-round relaxation. It features a double-layer galvanized steel roof, which helps improve ventilation while providing durable protection against sun, rain, wind, and other outdoor conditions. The galvanized construction is also designed to resist rust and fading over time. The gazebo offers around 120 square feet of covered space and can accommodate approximately 6 to 8 people. Its thick powder-coated metal frame provides strong structural support, while included ground stakes and expansion bolts help improve stability when properly installed. For comfort and privacy, it includes zippered mesh netting and adjustable curtains that slide along tracks. The mesh allows airflow while helping keep insects out, and the curtains can create a more private and closed space when needed. The roof also includes built-in hooks for compatible lights, fans, or decorations. According to the listing, assembly generally requires 3 to 4 people and takes around 2 to 4 hours. Pros: durable double galvanized steel roof. Spacious 120 square foot coverage. Curtains and zippered mesh netting included. Powder-coated metal frame. Built-in hooks for lights or fans. Cons. Heavy at around 199.5 pounds. Assembly requires multiple people. Proper anchoring is necessary for outdoor stability. Overall, the Aoxun Hardtop Gazebo combines durable construction, excellent weather protection, spacious coverage, and useful privacy features, making it our #1 pick for the best outdoor gazebos of 2026.